it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel. Today it's Christmas Eve for me, but it's Christmas for you guys, so Merry Christmas if you celebrate it. I'm gonna be doing a Christmas get ready with me. I have a Christmas Eve service tonight. I'm just gonna do like a pretty red makeup look. Look, I kind of look like a mess. Look like I just woke up, but it's like 2:30 p.m. and I've been awake for 4.5 hours. So the first thing is gonna be red eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this drugstore concealer to prime my eyelids. It's Christmas and we want that red look, and apparently James Charles has only matte red. I remember him saying that a lot whenever his palette came out. I don't have a James Charles palette, so we're just gonna go in with a more pinkish red. I'm gonna say Venetian red. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance. I'm gonna take that on the outside and kind of throughout everything else, mainly on the outside, because I'm going to add something else on the inside later. One fresco towards the middle and the inside. I'm gonna put something on top of it later, but I just wanted this base first. Then I'm going to end with Primavera on the inside corner. It's this really pretty sparkly gold. Blend it all out just so that it's all smooth and gradient and not just like stripes on my eyelid. And now I think I'm gonna try winged eyeliner here. It's gonna be a little risky. I'm really bad at it, but I want to try it. I'm gonna do that off camera because I'm scared. It's alright, I think. That's how that eye's looking. I'm gonna try the other one now. Kind of gonna try to do the same thing, but I am not skilled with eyeliner. Here's the finished look. Or not the finished look. Finished eyeliner on both eyes. Not the best. I'm going to go through and redo the eyeshadow because I feel like it lost some of its pigment because I rubbed some off whenever like I messed up in the eyeliner or whatever. So I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll come back to the next step. So next is concealer. I'm going to be using Born This Way by Too Faced. It's one of my favorite concealers. And just kind of put that everywhere. And I forgot to do my skincare routine last night because I got home really late from like an event with my friends. And so we might need to use a little more concealer than normal today. And now we blend. So this is just a sponge from like Forever 21. I think I got like 4 of them for maybe $5 or $6. It was really good. Not a beauty blender, but basically good enough. I don't know. I've never had a beauty blender. I doubt it is really worth $10 or however much they are now. Next, I have this tinted moisturizer from ColourPop that I really like. Really like it because my skin is dry. It just feels very moisturizing, which it's a moisturizer, so that makes sense. But it's also tinted, so I can use it as a foundation. And so I just kind of put that everywhere and blend it in. Next, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm literally just brushing them out because I don't want to fill them in right now. They're already too thick. I kind of need to get them threaded. Kind of haven't in like 2 months. But I don't really like how they're looking right now. So I'm going to get them threaded eventually whenever I get around to it. But for now, I'm not going to fill them in because that's just going to make them look even thicker. I highlight with this Strobe and Glow palette. And I'm going to use Glaze, which is the bottom middle color. And it's very golden and pretty. I'm going to go in with contour. It's the same old Maybelline palette that I've had for literally ever. And I no longer use the highlight on because I've basically used that all out. But contour and blush I take from this palette. So I just kind of contour everywhere. And then we take blush and just kind of smile and put that on my cheeks. And that's it. Almost done, almost done. I'm just going to take this empty brush and just kind of blend all over my face to get that contour and blush blended in better. Because sometimes it's a little too strong for me. Sometimes I put foundation on this brush, like this powder Neutrogena foundation. But I'm kind of low on it right now, so I'm not going to use a lot of that until I put more. Now, normally I would put on lip gloss. I put on lip gloss next. I have this pink lip gloss that I always use from, is it Revlon? Yeah. But, since this is a Christmas look, I'm going to put on some darker, I'm going to put on a darker shade. I'm really trying to accent the red of the season. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to make this a more red Christmassy look. And pink lip gloss is not the way to do that. Instead, we're going to be using this shade. Ooh, almost done. I just have to do mascara and then we're gonna get into my outfit and we can look at the final look. I think we already know the drill about my mascara routine. Whenever I want my lashes big, I go Lash Sensation first and Lash Paradise. It has been a year that I've had these about and I still don't remember their names. We're going to do Lash Paradise first. Lash Sensational by L'Oreal. This is the Maybelline one. This is the L'Oreal one. Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, lash sensational. But I do the Lash Paradise one first. See, I know that I do the straight one first, and I do the curved one second, but still can't remember their names. I really want a vlog camera for Christmas. I know like 100% that I'm not getting one, but like I wanted a Canon G7X Mark II for so long. I don't even know if that's one of the newer ones anymore because it's been so long that I wanted it. And now I'm going to change into my outfit. So right now we are wearing this sweatshirt and just my hair like this. And well, you can see I don't need to talk to you, but whoop. I am so upset. Look at this sweater. Can you see the stains? I can see the stains. I could definitely see them in the mirror. Yeah, like right here. Okay. I accidentally squirted foundation on myself a few days ago, 2 days ago. And as soon as that happened, I was like, oh my gosh, I got foundation on my sweater. I need to get this off immediately. So I soaked it for a day and a half in a bucket of water, just soaking it the entire time. And I just put it in the washing machine dryer. And it is still there. I'm gonna wear it anyways, I don't care. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know that normally on Wednesdays I post weekly vlogs, but since it's literally Christmas, I wanted to do something a little special. So I hope that you like this makeup look. Oh, yeah, it's okay. But yeah, I hope that you like this video. Please give it a like down below if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to see more videos like this, and I also post a lot of vlogs. Turn on my post notifications, and Merry Christmas. Goodbye.
1 to 2 step 3 step 4, she's everywhere out on that dance floor, she's everything